Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. This is my first record at MetaHuman application. I like to show for you everything about this application. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So today we are going to speak about how to connect your MetaHuman animator to your MetaHuman character. So after that we can add animation to your character and you have nice and amazing animation. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we need to create new project from zero. Okay, so now I have 5.2. Okay, make sure run. After that, go to games, third person, and MetaHuman Animator. Okay, ray tracing. Choose your location. Create. Open Epic Launcher. Go to Marketplace. So MetaHuman plugin. Okay, so you can install it for free. So now here install to Unreal Engine. So slot add plugin, which version 5.2 uninstall. So now okay, wait a little bit. It is 1.5. It depends about your speed. So now after that we need to go to plugin MetaHuman. Okay, so now we have MetaHuman new. Okay, yes, and restart now. After that enable missing. Okay, now everything is working nice. So what I'm going to do now, make sure restart your project. So you can come here and create a new folder, for example MetaAnim. Okay, and right click MetaAnimator capture source. Okay, so this, for example, test one. Okay, after that we need to double click here and we need to choose live link archive. So I have extension because I download my file, so we can go to download or your folder. So we have this folder and select folder. Okay, and save and close. Or you can choose the main folder. If you have more than shot, maybe to 10 or 100 shot, you can select the main folder. Select folder. Okay, save and close. Now we need to go to tools, capture manager. So test one, this is my video. So if you have 100 shot, so you can select all of them. So one and two and three, if you have more than shot, so you can select all of them and add to queue. After that, import all. Okay, processing just take a little bit. Okay, it depends about your PC. Okay, this is the first step. So close this one and right click MetaHuman identity. Okay, identity test one. Maybe if you have more than a character. Okay, double click. So after that we need to go there and from footage, and this is my first one. Okay, first shot. Double click, wait a little bit. Okay, now we need to go to the right. Okay, here add. Okay, so now okay, everything is working nice. MetaHuman identity solve. So after that we need to choose our body. So which one is maybe we can choose anyone from them. So maybe we can choose this one. So after that we need to auto rig identity, select skeletal mesh plus full MetaHuman. Okay, wait a little bit. After that, okay, so after that we need to select our pose. Okay, add, and we need to add teeth. Okay, so we need to choose the best. Okay, this is from here, add. Okay, so if you look here, this is our teeth. But if you look here for this one teeth, yani you can hide this one. Okay, and close this one, and make sure this is okay. Fit teeth. Wait a little bit. So after that we need to prepare for performance. Okay, now 1 minute take from me around 16 minutes or something like that. Okay, so now we are going to save this one and close it. Okay, if you want to improve and make short time for this process, you can go here and project settings. So now we need to go to cache. Okay, so here you can increase this value to 25. Maybe you can make it around, maybe we can make it 35 or make it like 6. Okay, or something like 6 gigabyte. Okay, so now we can close it, and you can what I'm going to do now, we need to right click and MetaHuman Animator. So we need to MetaHuman performance. Okay, we need to create our animation to export it to any MetaHuman character. So now meta test one. Okay, performance. Okay, right click and MetaHuman Animator, MetaHuman performance. So test one, bear one. Okay, double click. After that we need to choose my 3. This is the main shot, okay, which I recorded. Okay, this is my video and my record. So we need to choose our take. Okay, which one we need to come here, choose this is okay. Wait a little bit. So this is my character. Okay, now if you come here, look. Okay, so now because I was recording test for my video, so now we need to make where from which frame we will. Okay, okay, okay. Hello everybody. So 945. Okay, now I start from 945. Okay, so from where now? Okay, let's get started. So 100 1005. Okay, 5. Okay, so now this is my input. Just we select this area. Okay, so after that we need to make process. Okay, after that now we need to make process. Wait a little bit. Now everything is working nice. So what I'm going to do now, I need to export this animation. So from here we can create new folder, final animation, final anim. Okay, so we can make it, this is test 01. Okay, final test 01 final. Okay, save, and okay, everything enable. head movement. If you want to make a rotation, so I need to enable this one and export without head rotation. Okay, create. Now we have this one. Okay, export animation. Final anim. Okay, no head rotation. No, because if you want to add it to your MetaHuman character, no head movement. Test 01. No head movement. Okay, to close this one, and we need to go to window and Quixel bridge. After that we have MetaHuman character, so sign in. After that we need to go to my MetaHuman character, so we can choose any one of them of those character. Maybe we can choose, if you look here, this all of this character for all MetaHuman character, but make sure if you want to download any one of them, you make update for it. So how can we do that? We need to come here, window, edit, Quixel bridge. So after that we need, if for example if I have this character, maybe we can choose this one. Okay, so this MetaHuman user grown is unavailable. You need to upgrade MetaHuman inside MetaHuman Creator. You can use them. If you look here, this is not compatible with the MetaHuman 5.2. So now we need to go here. This is old character. We need to choose anyone from those characters. Maybe we can choose this one. Or we can choose this one. Upgrade to active version. Okay, you can upgrade it. Confirm. And you can upgrade all of them. Okay, now I have this character. Okay, now man 5 n new. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, we need to go here. So after that we need to go to window, Quixel bridge. After that we need to go to MetaHuman, my MetaHuman. So this is new character. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, we need to download this one. This MetaHuman user group, not problem. Okay, high test quality. Okay, high test quality, download. So now we can download this character. Okay, high test character, download. So enable missing. Okay, and we need to restart. So what I'm going to do now, we need to a new level and we need to embed level. So now we have, this is my character. Now double click on it. Wait a little bit. So now if you look here, this is my character. Okay, so we need to come here, load, we need to make it one, compile, save, close. Okay, so we need to drag and drop this one here. We need to insert light, point light, maybe here. Okay, in this area. Or we can insert area light rectangle. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, we need to insert, so maybe we can add another point light here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, we need to create cinematic level sequence. Okay, test 0 1. Okay, double click. Okay, after that we need to add this character, add track, add sequence here. Okay, delete. Nice. Okay, so if you are here now, we need to insert our animation. So if you look here, Ctrl Shift W, 0.8. Okay, so now face insert. So face here, we need to insert animation. Which one? Test 0 1. What is the name of our animation? Final anim test 0 1. If you have this issue, you need to delete all MetaHuman files at your PC and insert it again your character. If you don't have time, just we need to come here to this animation, and we need to come to this area, asset animation, export. Okay, test. Okay, or test 0 0 1. Okay, save, export. So now what I'm going to do now, we need to insert again this file. Okay, we need to make import test 0 0 1. Okay, now we will see which character. So we have face, arc, skeleton, import to all. Wait a little bit. If you look here, so this is for my MetaHuman character. If you come to this area, test 0 0 1 and face animation test 0 0 1, we will see this one here. Okay, now so now if you look here, now this is our result. Okay, hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. This is my first record at MetaHuman application. I like to show for you everything about this application. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started.